Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I still think this 78% is a very likely target, which is a little bit above the 202 area, like 202.1. Now, it doesn't mean that possibly we couldn't get a little bit of a pullback before we get there, but I do think there's a very high confidence, or at least I have very high confidence that we will at least hit that level up there. So since we are still making higher highs, higher lows, if you zoom in, these are all higher highs, higher lows right here. I definitely would still be recommending nothing but longs on these sort of time frames. We had a really nice entry today. We had a 1, 2, 3 way pullback. That's exactly the type of entry that I would be looking for. I'd be looking for those 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go long, potentially for the continuation of this uptrend, at least until we get some sort of a break of structure to the downside, which we definitely do not have yet. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.